Thank you, Mr. Balia. Good morning, everyone. I am Rakesh, Cleaning and Packaging Manager of Straits. Now you are in site 1. Here we are doing the cleaning and packaging operations. Let us walk through the operations. Only authorized persons are allowed to enter this department.
Try again, please. Verify.
This is the first section of this department. Here we are doing the receiving and incoming inspection operations. Once after the receiving and incoming operation finish, the part will move to the laser marking operation. This section is the laser marking operation department. Here we have 3 missions for the laser marking operations. Once after laser marking finish, the part will move for cleaning and passivation. This is a label printing department. Here we are printing the labels for finished goods. This is ultrasonic cleaning and the passivation section of this department. Here we have ultrasonic cleaning process. We have citric acid passivation. We have nitric acid passivation. Once after the passivation process finish, we will move the parts to the final cleaning. The final cleaning is inside the sterile and non-sterile area. Before entering to this section, we have to wear the cap and mask. This is vapor decreasing room. This section we are doing the final cleaning process. Once after the final cleaning process finish, if the parts require sterile package, the parts will move to clean room. If the parts require non-sterile package, the part will move to this side. Straits have 2 sections of clean room as per class ISO 7, clean room A and clean room B. Clean room A is equipped with tray ceiling and pouch ceiling. Clean room B also equipped with tray sealing and pouch sealing machines. The only difference is the clean room A have ultrasonic welding and clean room B have assembly machine. This is the clean room A. This is ISO class 7. This is clean room B. Here we have an assembly machine. Here also equipped with alloy tray sealing and pouch sealing. Once after the sterile barrier created inside the clean room, the part will move to the non-sterile area for the cartoning operations. Once after cartoning done, they will label this carton and they do a barcode verification. After barcode verification, the part will move for the shrink wrap process. This is a shrink wrap process. So the part will coated with the plastic film. And the part will loaded for in big carton shipping boxes, and they will send for gamma sterilization if it is sterile. If it is non-sterile, it will send to the customer. And here ends our presentation. Thank you, Barry.